BMW R12S. Yeah, finally BMW added a quick shifter to the R90. Now this is the new R12. Yeah, and it makes really fun to go through the gears. Very nice. Yeah, but today it was so freaking cold, only about 3 degrees Celsius in the early morning. Even the LCD screen lagged, so cold it was. And the launch, maybe I could have done a launch a little bit faster, because it was not the best grip, of course, but yeah, it worked pretty well. So have fun and ride safe.